You probably wouldn't choose an ice-cold shower. You definitely wouldn't wash your hands in scalding water. And you certainly wouldn't leave it up to chance. Today, we're taking a look at what makes Bluefin Mixing Valves a just right choice for controlling water temperature. Bluefin Mixing Valves let you dial in water temperature with precision. No more sudden shocks. Whether they're installed at the point of source, right at the heater, or the point of use, the sink, shower, wherever water meets skin, these valves keep temperatures steady between 80 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, so the water stays hot, but not too hot. Bluefin mixing valves are available from 3/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch. They're also lead-free and are certified to meet ASSE 1017 and 1070 standards, making them safe and effective in homes and businesses alike. Bluefin mixing valves come with fast nationwide shipping from Supplyhouse. Order yours today at supplyhouse.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.